Hi there. In this video, we will cover invoicing process. Let's go through the invoice process. First, find the work complete job on your dashboard and click on the job number to open the peek view. Then, click the job number at the top left of the window to open the job. Before we invoice the job, we need to check that all mandatory fields, such as the vehicle mileage, are completed. Then we need to check that all purchase orders are in a goods received status at the bottom of the job details page. Once this is completed, we can click the Generate Invoice button at the top of the page on the light blue bar, and then click Continue when the warning pop-up appears. Your job has now been invoiced. You can now download and print your invoice from the Download drop-down, or email the invoice from the Email drop-down. To attach a payment, you will need to click on Make a Payment. Then select a payment method from the drop-down. Once selected, click Save. And this will attach the payment detailing the date recorded, user, payment method, and amount. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.